Hello everyone, today I will be making a simple nail art using Born Pretty 10 ml Black SPAR series gel polish and Born Pretty Rhinestone glue gel. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new videos. So first I will be using the Born Pretty Black SPAR series shade BP04, which is a mustard color, and the shade BP01, which is the black color, perfect for Halloween. Born Pretty 12th anniversary sale starts on October 8th and ends on October 14th. During this period, Born Pretty offers you 25% off, site-wide sale, and free surprise gift. Use the code BPANNIV. I will leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. Now I will be making a black heart nail art. Next is I will be using the Born Pretty Rhinestone glue gel. Born Pretty Rhinestone glue gel can be used for applying rhinestone. It can be used as a 3D effect. It is shapeable and can be used also to apply nail powder with chrome powder. It is a non-slip and long-lasting. Now I'm gonna apply a matte top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to check the link below to get 25% off when you shop at Born Pretty store. I leave the link for the UV lamp, Black SPAR series, and for the Rhinestone glue gel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.